I'm Jaime Montejo, ISE 2020. I'm here for Newline to show you our range NT. NT is a series for large displays, 85 and 98 inches. NT is for non-touch. These screens are non-touch. They are the only non-touch screens we have, and we use them for our customers when they need in a room a big display, but they don't really need the touch. We also have this range for them, so they can have this solution. They will use it for video conferencing or for sharing anything. Indeed, it comes with a solution of casting, where from my computer, my phone, or any device I have to use, I can wirelessly connect and project anything I want in it. I also can attach for our 4K camera with the 4 microphone array to do the best video conference meetings. If you want to know anything else about NT solution and about our ecosystem of products, please visit newline-interactive.com and you will find it. Thank you very much.